The Boeing X-48 program represents one of the most ambitious attempts to explore the blended wing-body aircraft concept in the United States. Its origins trace back to the mid-1990s, when McDonnell Douglas began investigating blended wing-body configurations with NASA. Engineers pursued a layout that merged the wing and fuselage into a single lifting surface, aiming for higher aerodynamic efficiency, reduced structural weight, and lower operating costs compared to traditional designs. In 1997, the team built and flew the first small propeller-driven blended wing-body model with a wingspan of 5.2 meters. After the 1997 merger with Boeing, development continued, eventually receiving Pentagon interest under the codename Project Redwood. By the early 2000s, Boeing Phantom Works advanced the concept into a low-speed, remotely piloted demonstrator designated Blended Wing Body, Low-Speed Vehicle. This 14% scale vehicle was intended to evaluate stability and control during takeoff, landing, and low-speed flight. In 2001, the aircraft was officially named X-48A. It featured a 10.7-meter wingspan, composite structure, and 3 Williams J248 turbojet engines. Although the United States government canceled the X-48A program in 2002 due to flight control system challenges, Boeing and NASA continued limited testing into 2004. A major new phase began when Boeing contracted Cranfield Aerospace in the United Kingdom to build two 8.5% scale models. These vehicles became the X-48B, a 6.4-meter span, approximately 21 feet, unmanned aerial vehicle powered by 3 small turbojets. NASA conducted extensive wind tunnel tests between 2005 and 2006 before sending the vehicles to Dryden Flight Research Center. The first X-48B flight occurred on July 20, 2007. Over the next several years, the aircraft demonstrated safe handling near stall, reliable low-speed control, and favorable aerodynamic behavior. By 2010, the team installed an upgraded flight computer and continued a second phase of testing. In 2010, Boeing converted the second X-48B into the quieter, 2-engine X-48C configuration. It first flew on August 7, 2012, and completed 30 flights by April 2013. NASA and Boeing then outlined plans for a future, larger transonic blended wing-body demonstrator, though no public updates have appeared since. Despite the lack of recent activity, the X-48 program remains a key milestone in modern aerospace research, proving that tailless blended wing aircraft can be flown safely and efficiently, and offering a foundation for future military transport and refueling concepts.